Have you ever spent your entire childhood thinking, when I grow up, no one will stop me? I'll go wherever I want, whenever I want. I definitely did. As a child, I wanted freedom more than anything. I wanted to go out with my friends, join activities, explore new places, stay out late, make my own decisions basically. I thought adulthood will give me the answer. But when I am an adult right now, no one asks me where I'm going, no one tells me to come home early, actually. And no one stops me from doing anything at present. Yet, I spend most weekends at home and actually do nothing. So now I question myself like what exactly happened. Like as a child, I was waiting to become an adult. Like feeling I always used to feel so restricted. Like seeing older people so free, I used to feel so happy. Like imagine taking that spontaneous trip, wanting to learn dance, painting, sports, dreaming of saying yes without even asking for permission. Like freedom looked so magical from that child's eye. And cut to now when I am an adult. Nobody is stopping me from going out, no parents, there is no school. But I spend my entire weekend scrolling, watching Netflix, and basically doing nothing. And after doing all this, I am already so exhausted. I feel that I have no energy. And also, I keep telling myself, like maybe next weekend, and I keep postponing all these plans. And also, there is like whenever I feel like I should go out, all these fears come in my mind, like fear of going out alone. Okay, what people will think when I'm sitting at a cafe or a place alone, like that feeling of awkwardness, thinking that everyone already has friends. And also there is money factor. I think that, oh, maybe I'm not saving enough, I should save money. Like basically all these fears come in my mind, whenever I want to do things which I already like, I always kept thinking of when I was a child. That restriction wall disappeared, but somehow I built new ones inside my own mind. So I keep thinking and trying to understand what is the psychology between all this. And what I understand is freedom feels exciting because it was forbidden when I was a child. And now when I have freedom, uh, but that freedom has become very ordinary and I have stopped appreciating it. So sometimes I sit home and I remember as a child who couldn't just wait to grow up. She thought that adulthood would be that endless adventure. Maybe I was not wrong as a child. Maybe that adventure still exists, but the only the first step which I needed to was going out of my own door. So now I don't think I just go out alone. I do whatever I want over the weekends. I go to a cafe, sit alone, read a book. I go for a movie alone. I meet people. If I have to say yes, I say yes. If I have to say no, I say no. I paint. I do different workshops. I wear whatever I want. I just do whatever I want to do that day. So the now I don't wait for life to happen. I take myself somewhere, even if it is just a walk, because child inside me waited years for this freedom, and she deserves to experience this. So, did you also dream about freedom as a child? And now, even though you are free, do you sometimes stay stuck at home? So let me know in the comment section. I love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching my video. And please subscribe my channel and like, and thank you.